Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series, the Christmas special. Row 1, we got Chase Elliott and Kevin Harvick. Next row, Daniel Hemrick, Eric Almirola. Next, Brad Keselowski, Alex Bowman, Denny Hamlin, Jimmy Johnson, Daniel Suarez, Clint Bowyer, Kyle Busch, Martin Truex Jr., Joey Logano, Alex Bowman, Ryan Newman, Paul Menard, Eric Jones, Ty Dillon, Bubba Wallace, Austin Dillon, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and finally, Ryan Blaney. Here we go. Green flag in the air. Chase Elliott gets the lead as the field flies down through the angle. 4 wide. And we're going to go on with Martin Truex Jr. Oh, big slide down. And multiple cars involved. I believe Ryan Blaney broke on that car. If we go to Martin Truex Jr. onboard, oh, you see a debris fly. Look at the car on its side. And the camera goes out. Oh, Martin Truex Jr. got on the side only. I don't believe he got over, I believe. I don't think he got over, or just the camera knocked out. Here we go to the restart zone. Great fucking air. Caution's gonna come out and they're wrecking behind them. At least 10 cars involved. Daniel Hemrick's involved. Kyle Larson the machine. NASCAR Domino's Cup Series will not have a camera angle because the camera is broken. Here we go. Green flag back in the air. This is the one lap shootout. Daniel Suarez to the lead. Here comes Ty Dillon for second. Here they go to the backstretch. Oh, Chase Elliott blows a tire and Daniel Suarez upside down. And the field is piling up. The whole entire field. Austin Dillon, Eric Jones. And Austin Dillon will get the win at the Christmas special. What an unbelievable finish. A memorial finish. And a humongous accident at Chicagoland. Let's go to instant replay. I believe Chase Elliott blows a tire. Oh, and the air got underneath the car. It changes all the dynamic forces of the back of the cars. They got off that baby. The cars are very light there. The back end's light. You see, that's probably why Chase Elliott turned them over. And the car did not tumble. Oh, Kyle Busch got hit hard on that nose. Wow, what a humongous accident at the turns 3 and 4. Austin Dillon wins at Chicagoland. We'll see you at Season 2 at the NASCAR McDonald's Cup Series. The new series. We'll see you again next time.